Welcome to Tech Review, and we're going to review this 87-key mechanical keyboard customized by Marv's PC Stuffs, and it's named Cookies and Cream. The box includes a key puller, a white wrist rest, the manual, and of course this black and white keyboard. It has a non-detachable high-speed USB connector. The back has a nice honeycomb design, and though the feet do not have a rubber cover, there is a stopper right at the bottom. The keys look separate and not too compact, and it uses a blue switch. The keycaps themselves are ABS plastic with a DSA design and is cherry compatible. The background has a shiny finish, which can be a bit messy as your fingerprint can easily be seen, but it is definitely aesthetically pleasing. There are several lighting modes here, and you can switch between them by pressing the function key and the SL button on the top right. You can reset the factory settings by clicking the function key and the escape button. As for the speed, you can also change it, as well as the lighting itself. You can adjust the brightness by clicking the function button and the up and down button. And you can adjust the speed by clicking the function button and the left or right button. As for the wrist rest, you can easily attach it like so. This has a smooth typing feel, and with a crisp typing sound, it just gives you a more pleasant sensation. That's all for now. If you want to buy one of these, you can get them at Marv's PC Stuffs, and it's available in Quezon City, Las Piñas City, as well as Rizal. Links down below. Thank you for watching.